But not just any chili, touchdown chili. My chili, it's got big, flaky cheddar biscuits on top and features this brisket. Just like my favorite sandwich, the Montreal smoked meat.
Yeah, I love that.
This brisket's going in instead of ground beef.
How good is that gonna be, seriously?
Oh, amazing.
I love brisket, especially when you cook it down. It gets nice and tender and adds a lot of flavor to that chili you make, man.
Huge flavor.
Are you still gonna put corn in it?
Obviously, it's not my chili without grilled corn, man.
Can you please let me grill the corn?
Okay, you can grill the corn, just don't screw it up.
I'm Spencer Watts, bro.
Roger that, grill the corn. Brisket's one of those awesome meats that when you cook it nice, slow, and low, it's just gonna build flavor in that chili, and that's how you get touchdown chili. This stuff is gonna be incredible. It's gonna be soft, and it's just gonna impart so much as it slow cooks. You might be asking yourself, what's the difference between chili and touchdown chili? It's flavor. The boys are gonna love this. We're gonna start with our hot pot and roast our aromatics just to get them toasted and super fragrant. It's gonna bring tons of flavor into this chili. Oh yeah, spicy chili powder. Got this awesome earthy cumin. That's the key to any good chili right here. And a little bit of, just delicious sweet paprika. We mentioned earlier that brisket, once it's in there low and slow, it's gonna build tons of flavor into this chili. The boys are gonna die for it. Next up, the onions and garlic. Those onions get nice and coated with those toasted spices already. I'm gonna roast this tomato paste out. It's gonna help kill the acidity and just build that flavor on flavor on flavor. Now in canned tomatoes. This touchdown chili is the absolute perfect dish for game day. Everyone comes in, they scoop it up, they're ready to go. Everything's in one pot. Now in with the secret weapon, this brisket. It's gonna cook slow, low, and release all that flavor into that chili. Look at this awesomeness already. That meat's already soaking up all that flavor, the tomato, the spices, the onion, unreal. Big hit of salt, and of course, Mr. Pepper. But you know what? We need a little bit more liquid. This is gonna cook for at least an hour, hour and a half. We gotta bake those cheddar biscuits on top. So we're gonna get in Mr. Beef Stock. Oh, yeah.
Game day! Man, does it smell good in here. And the corn is perfectly roasted, by the way.
Good job.
It's actually a little chilly outside. How's it going, man? What's left to do?
Chili's getting the kidney beans right now.
Cool.
Then we're gonna do the corn.
Cool, sweet.
But Spence,
Yo.
do you know why they call them kidney beans?
No, why?
Because they're shaped like little kidneys, man.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Man, it smells so good. What kind of liquid do you got in there?
Got that nice, rich beef stock in there, Spence. And of course, the dark beer. It's gonna help tenderize that meat, bring that rich, nutty flavor into that beef.
Now, I know you're making cheddar biscuits, but there's something about every time that I smell chili that I just need garlic bread. Are you okay if I make some garlic bread?
Of course.
Yes!
You know what, Spence? I'm just like you. Every time I have chili, I need bread. I need something to dip. So I had this idea to combine them both and then bake them right on top of the chili. And these cheddar biscuits are super simple.
Dude, how good does the word cheddar biscuit sound?
Cheddar biscuit.
Cheddar biscuit.
Cheddar, I like it.
Cheddar, you know it's cheese, and you know what a biscuit is.
You're sold.
Yeah, I love it.
Got my flour in there, a little bit of salt. Gonna hit it with the butter and lightly pulse till I get a sandy, pebbly texture out of this.
Oh, yeah, get it. Get it. Work it. I love biscuits. They're so easy to make, and the rules are open, man. You can flavor it with anything, but I think your cheddar biscuits are gonna be tight.
Right there, you're looking at it, that mealy pebbliness I was talking about. Perfect, ready for the buttermilk.
Pretty good.
Once the buttermilk's in, pulse it a couple more times. Look for that dough to form. awesome. And that biscuit dough's done. How easy is that? One thing left, fold in the cheddar cheese.
I gotta share with you like my all-time live sports moment ever. 1994, Grey Cup, at home, BC Lions. I'm on the 50-yard line. It's like fourth quarter, third down, final play. Lou Pasaglia's at the 49-yard field goal. Coach is running down the corner going, go, go, go. Ball's swooping in the air, splits the upright, the crowd goes nuts. I can't see anything because I'm 13. I got ballpark mustard all over my face, and the guy in front of me is 6'5". But it was like the sickest sports moment ever, man. I'll never forget it. It was rad.
And this chili's gonna keep cooking in the oven with these biscuits on top. They're gonna get super crispy on the top. They're gonna sop in all that great chili flavor into the bottom. It's gonna be to die for.
You got a pretty good ratio of biscuits to cheese, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, you're lying.
Come on, always more
you're
cheese,
lying,
right?
yeah. Get the oven for you, man.
Sweet.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, yeah.
The best part about game day is I know there's gonna be leftovers.
Let's check this out. These biscuits are perfectly brown on top and
Yeah, they're nice and gooey on the bottom, hey?
And you know what? That brisket's gonna be so tender and it's sucked up all that flavor from that chili base.
So excited, man.